In this video, you'll learn how to create a blog on Webflow in just a few minutes so you can start publishing content and grow your audience with a professional-looking website. First, go to webflow.com and sign in to your account. Open the project where you want to add your blog. Then head to the designer. This is where you'll set up everything from the blog structure to the design of each post. Next, open the CMS panel on the left side of the editor. Click Create New Collection and name it Blog Posts. Then add fields like title, slug, content, featured image, author, and publish date to keep your blog fully organized. Now, design your blog post template. Webflow will automatically create a template page for your collection, where you can customize the layout, typography, and style of every single blog post with full creative control. After that, create a blog listing page that displays all your posts. Add a CMS collection list to a page, connect it to your blog posts collection, and design the preview cards with images, titles, summaries, and links. Once your blog structure is ready, start adding content. Go back to the CMS panel, click New Blog Post, fill in all the fields, and when you're done, hit Publish to make your posts live on your website instantly. And that's it. Your blog is now live on Webflow, beautifully designed and ready to attract readers from anywhere in the world.